In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a web form using WordPress with WP Fluent Forms. Whether you're new to website building or just looking to expand your knowledge, follow along as we walk through these steps to make your website more interactive and user-friendly. To start off, open your preferred web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. This is your main hub for all things related to building and managing your WordPress site. From here, you'll be able to access everything you need to make the changes or additions we'll be discussing today. If you already have a WordPress account, you'll want to log in. Click on Log In, located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your credentials and proceed to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially your control center, where you manage and customize your site. On the left-hand side menu, locate and click on the Plugins option. Plugins are additional components that add specific features to your WordPress site. They're very useful in enhancing your site's functionality without having to dive into complex coding. After clicking on Plugins, you'll see an option titled Add Plugin. Give that a click. This takes us to the WordPress plugin directory or repository, a vast resource of plugins that you can integrate with your site. In the search bar, type Fluent Forms. Fluent Forms is a popular plugin known for its ease of use and flexible options in creating engaging web forms. Once you've entered Fluent Forms into the search box, hit Enter. A list of results should appear. Look through these and find the Fluent Forms plugin developed by WP Manage Ninja. You will see an Install button beside it. Click Install and give the system a couple of moments to do its job. After it's installed, the same button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate, because installation alone doesn't make the plugin functional. Activation is a crucial step. Now that you've successfully added and activated WP Fluent Forms, you're set to start creating web forms that suit your needs. Dive into the plugin's custom settings and explore various features to tailor your form just the way you want. WP Fluent Forms offers a range of templates and drag-and-drop capabilities, making it user-friendly and versatile. And there you have it. You've now incorporated a powerful tool into your WordPress site that allows you to form meaningful interactions with your audience. I hope this walkthrough was helpful, and you feel more confident in customizing your site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.